I'm going to show you how to make some chalk paint. For this you will need some regular flour. So I just have some regular wheat flour. I have 3 small bowls. I have 3 spoons. I have some food coloring. I've got 2 different size paint brushes to paint with, and some water. So I've already put some flour in each of the 3 bowls. I'm going to make 3 different colors. I put maybe like a tablespoon of flour in each. You can do more if you like, but for this I'm only going to do a little bit of each color. So the next thing you do is you choose what color you want your paint to be. So I'll do one that is red. I'll use the red food coloring. You don't need a lot of food coloring, maybe 2 or 3 drops. So I'll do 3. You can add a little bit of water at a time. I would start with maybe a teaspoon and then mix it. A teaspoon of water and then mix it. If it's too thick, just add a little bit more water. And that's too thick, so I'll do a little more. So I'll show you the consistency a little bit, like that. Alright, so there's my red. I'll do some blue. Add some water. I use a clean spoon. There shouldn't be any clumps in it. It should be nice and smooth. A little bit more. And the last color I'll do some yellow. What's wrong with the yellow? No. I'll do green instead. There we go. I don't know why the yellow didn't come out, but add some water. Ooh, that's a nice green. So in just a second, I'm gonna paint right here on the tar on the driveway, so you can see how the paint looks. You can do this on paper, or you can do it on your driveway. It'll wash right off when it rains, because it's just flour. A little more. It shouldn't be too thick. It should be like a very liquidy paste with no clumps. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. So just move a few things over so I can paint right here. Okay. Move these over. I've got a nice big brush here, so I'll try that. I'll do some blue with it. can paint right onto the driveway. And when this dries, it will dry a much lighter color and it will look very chalky. Right now it's quite liquidy, right? But it will have a chalk look to it when it dries. And it shouldn't take very long to dry, maybe a few minutes. So as you're working or painting on something else, it'll dry. See, I'll do some of the red. I'll wipe off my brush so I can try some of the green. Do like circles with the green. Some geometric art. So you could also draw first on the surface, like if you want a specific shape or a specific image, you could draw first, like with a regular piece of chalk, and then use this chalk paint to fill it in with. I'm just kind of winging it here. Okay. And that is how you make chalk paint.